You joined, right? Hi, Rupinder.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good morning.
So we are into sets, right?
Yes.
Can you confirm that my screen is visible? Created new. No. That's good. So whenever we say sets, right? Set is an
Yes, sir.
inbuilt method. Okay, set we just like list Python, right? Set is also where we have a collection of elements. But previously, whenever we say tuple or a list, right, there are in a
Yes.
sequential order. First, it will fill one, B, C, D in an order. But over here, there won't be any order maintained. Okay, there won't be any order maintained. And also in sets, we can't even have, okay, we can't even have duplicates. Okay, we only whatever the things that we'll be having, we'll be having unique values. Okay,
Okay, sir.
let me show you with an example. Okay,
Okay.
uh, just like list and tuple, right? These will start with an flower brackets. Okay, let's say
Okay,
my
sir.
set one, or let's say my set equal to flower brackets, oh, and everything and it should be in double quotes. That is the string. Okay. Now 50. Let me give one more apple over here. Come on. See, I have given set by declaring four variables in it. Okay. And when we are using this, okay, set it takes any type. Okay. You could take inside in this you could take a list or tuple also we could show. There won't that won't be any problem. But okay, when you call this set, if you see right, what happened over here? Whenever I call the
Yes.
set, the first apple has been removed. 50 apple
Yes, sir.
cherry from second, third,
Duplicate
fourth.
are removed.
Yes, because why it is removed? It has removed because we have a duplicate which is apple.
Yes.
Okay, and this is not
Yes.
into certain particular order because in my given set if I give index of zeroth element is apple and the sorting order is something different, right? It takes up the first one and we have 50 apple and cherry from the set. So there is no sequence over here because this is unordered, unchangeable, unindexed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because I can't use this or we can't define this saying that m sets of 0 is apple because m set of 0 is 50 over here. Okay,
Yes, sir.
these are unordered. That means we can't define any order because once we give and define, right, it will always rechange its order. And here duplicates are not allowed. You are able to see, right? Duplicates were been removed.
Yes.
Okay. Let's give the same example by including few other things. Now what I will do, let's give m equal to set of insert, let's give true. True is a boolean value, right?
Yes.
One, false, zero, uh, banana. How many values we have now? One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right? Let me include one more thing also. How many have? One, two,
Two,
three,
three,
four,
four, five,
five,
six,
6,
seven, eight,
7, 8, 9,
nine,
10,
ten.
11, 12, 13, 14. Right?
Yes.
Can you expect what would be our result set will have? How many we will have? Banana, banana. This is not duplicate because we have given small b and capital B, right?
Yes.
3, 3 will be get only one.
Three, three.
Okay, that is the only thing that you think, right?
Yes, sir.
Are there anything that you considered that is a duplicate? Now, if I execute this, see how many I have? I have only 11.
Yes, sir.
3, 33, 40, 50, 60. Apple, banana,
But
cherry, false, true, banana.
one. Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes.
Okay, why it happened means whenever there is a true or false, true is considered as 1, false is considered as 0.
Yes.
Okay, so these both are also considered as duplicates. Okay, so if I
Okay, sir.
want len of m1, see I got how many? I have given that 14, right?
Yes.
But there are three duplicates. One is 3. The other ones are true and false. For true it takes
Yes, sir.
1, false it takes 0.
Zero.
Okay. And we can't add, delete or anything that we can't do. And if you see, right, the order given, we said that, right, it's an order, it won't be given unsorted, unindexed because the order that we have given and the order we got in line number 4 is different, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Four.
So how we can access set? If I want to access the set, how could I do that? Because I said that it can't be indexed, right? But
This
there should be
argument
that we could use this set, right? So what we could do is we could use a for loop, right? Because this is iterable. For I in M, sorry, M1. See, we're able to iterate them using the for loop, right?
yes, sir.
And again here the order has changed. Okay. Now if I want to know there is an whether there is something, let's say whether cherry is, or let's say something, let's take another kiwi, whether kiwi is in this set or not. How could I check? If I want to check whether there is something is part of this set or not. So what I could do is I could give an in operation. What we can give in print,
In
okay, kiwi, right? KIW, kiwi in M1. That's it.
in it means inside. That's it.
What it
Oh,
gives me false. Now if I
yes,
say
sir.
cherry, see, once I check with cherry, it gives me M1, right? True. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I could do the same thing with not in. Okay. Same with not in. Print. Even if you're not in, it gives me true, because we're asking this is not in to check whether kiwi is not there or not. So it is giving me true.
Okay. Because we are is there already not in.
Yes. And if I want to update, or if I want to make this set, okay, if I want to add some elements to this set, I could do that. Okay, there is a method where we could use, where I could say M1 dot just add kiwi,
Add.
all M1. Is kiwi is there in the current list?
Yes,
Let's
sir.
check.
Is there?
It gives me false. That means it's there. You could also check in last but three row. Okay. What is this? This is add. Okay. Now, what I will create one more set, which is M2. Okay. And then this I will give 1, comma 2, comma 8, comma 9, comma, okay, 3, comma double 3, comma 40, comma 80. Okay. I have what I have given? I given M1 and M2. I given two sets. Now what I will do is I will make M1 dot update. Update is
M
a with M2.
M2.
Okay. Now I will ask only M1 to print. See, the resulted value is a combination of M1 and M2. Now, what we do? We have updated the list, right? Loop we have done. If I want to remove, can I remove something from the list?
Remove.
Yes, if I want to remove, how could I remove? Can I remove by using index or something?
Pop.
Yeah, pop. Let's say if I use pop, what it will do? Pop
M1
is correct.
or
Pop
or
is correct. For sure, pop is correct. Okay. But pop will do what? Let's say if I give M1 dot pop, like you said.
false.
So what it have taken off? It have removed pop,
Remove.
which is for it removed from M1 false. Okay. We can't say in case if you want to pop, right, we can give the index where it gives us exactly what it is need to be removed in the pop or remove. But over here, when we use pop, it will make a random element to disappear. Okay, while we use pop method. Instead of that, what we could do is we could use m1 dot remove. What I'm using
Remove method.
remove 7. Now
Okay.
call m1 and see it removed 7, right?
Yes, sir.
And there is also something known as discard. What dot discard. And in this discard, let me give 33. All in one.
Discard.
If
Discard
33
as
was it. Are we clear? M1 which the discard will discard this and remove also used for the same, but you use
okay.
pop. It will pop what you say randomly basically. Okay. Let's say if I use the command known as m1 dot clear. What I'm using clear. See, it removed everything. It gave me an empty set. Okay. That
Yes, sir.
means it empties the complete values in the set. Okay. So let me give one more set. M1 is equal to, okay, within flower brackets. Now what I'll do is I will give a list inside. 1, comma, 3, comma, 1, comma, 55, comma. Now I will give an list inside. 55, comma, 3, comma. Are we done? No. Flower brackets. Okay. Okay. Now if I call M1, what would be Okay. Now if I give an M1, what would be my list? What would be my M1?
1 2 3 5 5.
Only double five?
1 2 3 and
Two, three?
double five.
1, 2, 3, double five, sure.
Yes,
See? Because 1, 2, 3 is considered as a single element and 1 is a second element, 55 is a different element. So here, whatever the things within the tuple, right? So this tuple will be the same. I mean, will have it will be considered as a single element, not as one as a different element, two as a different element. So here we could also have
yes, sir.
duplicate values. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Now we'll go to dictionaries. Okay.
okay, sir.
So have you seen any normal dictionary?
Yes,
Have you seen normal dictionary, English dictionary,
yes, sir.
Oxford
Yes, sir.
dictionary, popularly?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
how it looks like? You will have a value. For that value, you will have for a key value. You will give different types of
yes,
words, right? As it's
yes, sir.
uh, as it value pairs. So here also in dictionary, what we'll have is we'll have one key associated to that. We will have one value or values,
Okay.
value or values. Okay,
Yeah.
and this dictionary we will be defining inside the flower brackets. Okay, if you see in a set we are giving only one element, right? But whenever we are defining a dictionary, we need to define its key and its value. Okay, let's say let me mark it down. This one. Now what I'll do is dictionary, right? My dictionary equal to within flower brackets. Okay, I have defined this. Okay, inside I need to give one key and one value. Okay, so I need to give student name. Name, let's say student one, comma. If I give comma, that means the first key and value are done. So next,
Okay.
uh, course. Course, let me give BTech. What happened? Why we are getting this error? Any idea? Because this is a string, we need to give inside double quote, which I forgot. Now if I copy this and paste it, okay, let me give it a CZ for easy. See what I got? I got a dictionary with two keys and particular values to it. Name is student one and the course he is studying is BTech. Okay,
Yes,
are we clear?
yes, sir.
So here also this is unordered. But over here, we could have duplicates to the values, but not to the keys. Okay. So let's say how to access this.
Previously,
I call CZ, okay, of name. So when I call CZ of name, what it gives? It gives the
student
values
one,
inside the key.
student
Whatever the values
name.
that are stored for the key, it has given us, right?
Yes.
So if I want to access BTech, what should I do?
Uh, Caesar course,
So
course,
here we need to use CZ of course, right?
course. Yes.
So why we are not using key value? Because here the index is key. So we are calling the items by key, right? So whenever if you have a duplicate, let's say if I give another name and use student two, so it will confuse, right? It won't be able to understand which one to call. So we could have duplicates inside the values, but not at the key level. Okay. So let's say if I give, and also let me do the same over here, course. In the course, okay, what I'll do, I'll create a list or I'll create a set. Let me call retake. See, I have given multiple values for the courses, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
I have given multiple values for the courses, right?
Multiple values. Yes.
And if I want to know my length, okay, what I could do is I could just give len of season, which is my dictionary. Okay, what is the length here?
Two.
And if I want to know what is the type of season,
Data type.
what I got?
Dictionary.
I got dict, right?
Yes, sir.
Dict is a shortcut saying that it is dictionary. Okay,
Yes.
are you clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me do. Here you are able to access the items, right? You are able to do. Now, if I want to know, let's say, if I want to give CZ, if I give CZ dot keys, it will give me what are the keys that are available in the dictionary.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I give CZ dot values, VAL, what it has given me?
Then
The
only
value
value
stored inside these keys.
is
Okay. Now, let's say if I want to change, okay, if I want to change student one to, let's say, Rupendra. Now, what I'll do is I'll give CZ of within brackets student one, or why I required student one, I required name. name equal to, so let's give, okay, now suppose she said, what happened? What is the difference between previous and this one?
Yes, sir. This update.
Updated,
Yes, sir.
updated with?
Update is the current
Updated
one.
with the latest name. Okay. So here
Yes.
trying to modify the given dictionary at the values level. Okay, if I say, okay, uh, items, okay, CZ dot items. We have seen key values, right? Now we are looking at items. If I give items, what it has given? It given me both keys and values. Okay, are we clear?
Okay, sir.
Let's do in the same way. Let's say if you want to check whether that would be again, let's do it tomorrow because it will take some time. Let's say if I want to add one more to my dictionary. Okay, let's say if I want to add one more item to my dictionary. So what I'll do, I'll give it the same CZ. Okay, this is the dictionary name. Now, what I need to add, I will add marks. Okay, within double quote marks.